Hello everyone, welcome to another lecture. In this video, we're going to talk about list operations. In particular, we're going to learn how to iterate over all the items of a list using for loops. We would like to write a program to print all items in the list. Here is our list, fruits, and it contains apple, banana, and cherry. Okay, so previously we learned about this code, so we can print fruits exactly like that. It is very easy to do it. Okay, but now we are going to learn how to access all the elements using a for loop, not basically printing out only the fruits list typically. Okay, now we would like to loop through the list. To do that, we are typing down the name, the for keyword, then a new variable I'm calling fruit. We can call it x for the sake of simplicity. So I'm declaring a new variable x, and this x is going to iterate over the elements of the fruits list. So for keyword, then a new variable, then in keyword, then the list that we would like to iterate over, and then the colon. That's it. Then when we are having the colon, we enter, we go to next line, and we are printing x. And x is going to iterate over all the elements of this list for us. So it is going to print all the elements of the list for us. So when I run this code, I see apple, banana, and cherry. Why? Because in the first iteration, x equals apple. In the second iteration, x equals banana. And in the third iteration, x equals cherry. And in each iteration, we are printing the value of x. Okay? So when x equals apple in the first iteration, we are printing apple. We see apple in the output. Then banana is equal to x, and then we are printing x, so banana is printed, and the same goes with the cherry. This is how we can use for loops in order to iterate over all the elements of a list. Thank you for watching.